In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin a comment on your Instagram post. So for instance, I have this post, and as you can see, it has 2 comments. So if I go to the comments, I can go ahead and write any comment and then post it. However, the problem is if any other person posts after me, it will go ahead and override my post or my comment from appearing on top. But if you want this comment to permanently appear as the top comment, then the right thing to do is to go ahead and pin it. To do so, just long press on your comment, and then you see the option called pin. I'll go ahead and tap on pin, and that is it. As you can see, the comment has been pinned by the author and the pin sign is here. So that's how you pin comments on your Instagram account. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.